Actually, ayaw na yung mag-dictate kung ano ba dapat. But I think it's more of yung, you have to do your homework. You have to research ano ba siya, may saksakan ba sa inyo. Ano, kung mag-hybrid ka naman, like ano ba yung type of hybrid niya? Yung internal combustion engine ba is just a charge of the electronic, or do you use it both? So ang dami ring factors actually. It's a new market right now. It's proliferating, yes. Pero at the same time, parang pwede mo rin tignan what's happening sa ibang countries eh. Of course, kay China, you can see what's happening there kasi it's a state-controlled media. They have that. So, papalalabas lang nila lahat maganda. If you go to other countries, like for example, Singapore, Indonesia, and stuff like that, you might be able to see kung ano yung pattern. Is this car vehicle brand and model, is it good, is it not? So, mas makikita mo siya.
Siguro add ko lang, iba kasi like, ewan ko, pag nakakapanood ako ng mga videos sa featuring China, lalo na yung, ano yun, yung parang city nila, yung parang technology, ano yun, may tawag doon eh.
Basta yung mga ganyan, mga international hubs nila.
Yung sobrang high-tech.
Shanghai, ganyan.
Parang feeling mo, oh my God, kung gawa ng kotse to, parang maganda talaga kasi sobrang yung technology kaya nila lahat. Pero, I mean, iba siya pag nandito, guys, kasi syempre, yung kausap mo is yung nagdala dito eh, not necessarily those like yung key people talaga yung from that brand itself. So those are mga distributors, yung mga ganun.
It really boils down to how you're gonna research about it eh. Yun talaga siya eh, ganyan naman talaga siya eh. I mean, sorry, kakatapos na yung election pero some of us, I don't wanna talk about it. Pero kumbaga parang, again, with your decision, it will be your decision, sana pag-isipan mo siya, silipin mo siya. Yan. Pag-aralan mo. And like yung parati namin sinasabi, yung ecosystem ng parts. Usually China, how they manufacture the vehicles is parang produce tapos palitan ng palit. So medyo, kumbaga parang mga stuff nila, palit na sila ng palit. Unlike itong mga established brands and vehicles, si Toyota, they use common parts. So alam mo later on, kung talagang tatago mo yung sasakyan, meron kang makukuhang parts. Aside from yung original equipment manufacturer ng parts, meron din syempre yung replacement. So sino yan? Si Taiwan. Tingin mo si Taiwan gagawa ng Chinese parts? I don't think so.
May ganun ba?
Diba?
Hindi ko rin alam.
That's not gonna happen anytime soon. Tama, diba? We have to talk about it. It's a fact. Tapos, let's say, ikaw yung guy na parang palit ka nga ng palit ng car every 3 years. Yeah, sige. Nakapalitan yung kotse. Napalitan mo yung kotse. Hindi mo na iniisip yung battery. But then later on, I think we also have to think about yung environment in the long run. Ano mangyari doon sa car na yun? It's like the same as buying yung, tabo na lang sa banyo. Bili ka ng cheap shit na China versus bili ka ng magandang brand, or gusto mo mag-shell out, bili ka ng Muji na parang magkano yung nasa 300, 400, I don't know.
Uy, iba daw yung tubig nun.
Oh, di ba? I mean, valid to, man. Valid to. Sige, magamit mo siya for like a couple of months. Tapos masisira siya.
Uy, syari.
Sorry, may nangyari.
Nabangga ni Kuya yung wall.
A few moments later.
Anyway, sorry. Before we were interrupted, sorry. You can get cheap. Masisira siya, tapon mo siya, bili ka bago. O mura eh, value for money. Sige, fine. Pero anong gagawin mo doon sa plastic na yun, yung trash na yun? Ano mangyayari sa kanya? Diba? Limited lang yung resources ng mundo. Limited lang din yung natin. Saan mo tatapon yun? Well, like say you get a good brand, a local brand, or Muji. Gusto mo talaga mag Muji. Kahit siguro pamana mo yun sa mga apo mo, baka aabot pa yun. Diba? So, you also have to look into it. Marami kang kailangan pag-isipan. Hindi lang siya parang 1 or 0. Marami siyang gray areas, marami siyang kailangan pag-isipan. So, yun yung point namin for this part. Yeah. Tama, no? Agree? Yeah, agree. Ako, yun yung pananaw ko. So, it is what it is.
POV lang yun, guys. Kayo pa. POV lang.